I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you take your phone everywhere in all sorts of different elements, you gotta keep it protected. This Temdan waterproof built-in lens and screen protector is not only military grade, but really protected my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To install it over your phone, just open the backing. Just make sure you, of course, wipe and clean your phone before you do this. You're then going to push it down in the bottom and then push in the top. It's going to be pretty snug. Wipe the cameras and the back. You can take the film off of the front screen, and now you can press in the back. The back is going to be clear. It's going to offer that full protection, camera and the front. It's got the fingerprint capability screen. It's waterproof. You can still use the screen even when water is on it. It's got this nice little strap that you can have on your wrist so that you can avoid dropping it. And it's got this cover for your speaker to make it fully waterproof. You can hear the difference of when you're recording.
Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI.
Then you just switch it back over. This makes it fully waterproof, and it is still going to pick up your sound, but it's going to be a little different.
Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI.
You're still going to be able to access your charging port for easy charging ability, and also you're going to be able to access your pen. Again, all of this allows it to be completely waterproof and also withstand dropping it. And that's my point of view.